Hello everybody out here on YouTube. It is I here with Beautiful Beauty. Going to be doing a house cleaner product review. This is something here I've used for a long time now. I love this stuff. I like to buy it from Vitacost.com, and if I don't buy it there, I like to buy it from Jet.com, and sometimes I've bought it from SwansonsVitamins.com. I love it. It's cruelty-free. It's one of these more plant-based cleaners. I know you guys have heard of it. Everybody has heard of the Mrs. Meyer's brand. Love their products. I like their hand soaps and their other products as well. Just some really good stuff. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, and this is the lavender scent, tub and tile, removes soap scum and hard water stains. This is a 33 fluid ounce spray bottle. Almost said squeeze bottle, spray bottle. Yeah, I really like the fact that it's more plant derived. I like the fact it's more plant based. I love the fact that it's cruelty free. Now I will add the smell is a little strong. It's a little overpowering. It has a good fragrance to it, but I have a scent sensitivity issue. I have crazy bad sinus problems. I wish it was not as strong of a scent, but you know, it is more of like of aromatherapy type of smell, which it smells good, but it's a little bit strong in the smell department for me. But I love the product. I think it works great. I love it. I like to clean my toilet seats with it. I clean my tubs. I clean my tiles. I have a porcelain sink in my kitchen. It works great on that. It also works great on the faucet fixtures. In my kitchen sink as well as my other bathrooms, and it works well. And I also like to use it on some of my house has tile flooring throughout it. I have like a lot of flooring in my house, but I have a lot of tile flooring in some of the rooms as well as the kitchen, of course. And this works really well on cleaning the grout between the tiles, between the cracks. The grout is where all the dirt is, you guys. I hate it. It's life. That's how it is. But I love to clean between the cracks, clean the grout on my tile flooring. Love, love, love it. And I love to use it on my toilet seat. I use it even on my toilets. And overall, it's really a great cleaner. It really cleans up well. I do love it. Let's see what else I can tell you about it. The smell is a little strong, but you know, there's the Leaping Bunny, so it's cruelty-free, like I said, which I love that. And yeah, it's just plant-derived. It's natural. It's free of phthalates, no glycols, no solvents, no chlorine, no formaldehyde, no harsh chemicals, no acids, which I love that. Who does not like a more naturally realmed cleaner? You know what I mean? Before I make it a 20, 30, 40-minute video, I love this stuff. It works great. If you like lavender smell, you're definitely going to love it. It's a little bit strong, but I get past the smell. I think it's great. Really, really, really do. Great cleaner. I love it. I love you guys so very much. Happy house cleaning. Take care. Bye, beauties.